Hello, Jane. Okay, this is the zipper bag machine or similar like yours. Okay, I see from your video, I found that the problem showing in the display is that X4 are normal. Okay, and I also see your video. These two sensors not working properly, and I tell you what's the function of these two sensors. Okay, this is a towering arm. Okay, it will come from here to here. Okay, so what's the function for this one? Once this sensor, okay, it can sense this plate. Once this plate come in from here, come into this side, and this sensor close to this plate, this towering arm will slowly, okay, reduce the speed. And once this sensor, this X4 close to this plate, okay, and the pulling arm should be stopped. But I see it in your video, the pulling arm push too much, and then push him too much on this demo. As you can see that when this X4, the sensor light is on, means this pulling arm must be stopped. And at this time, when it is stopped, you see this towering arm and this demo should have some distance. You understand? It must have some distance. Towering arm cannot push too much on the demo. Otherwise, it will damage the machine. So what you should do now is adjust this sensor X4 to move it a little bit to the right side. Okay. So when this plate coming from here, sensor this one, it will slowly reduce the speed. And once this plate coming to this X4, it will stop. Only in this way, then you can avoid this towering arm to push press too much on the demo. You understand? This is one thing. Another thing is, I see that this sensor, you see, once you have the zipper here, okay? Once you have the zipper here, this sensor, the light should be on. If it is not on, you can loosen this two screw. You see it, okay? Here is a two screw. You loosen it and move this sensor until the light is on. If there's the zipper, the light should be on. Understand? If the light is off, you must loosen it and move it forward or back, left and right until the sensor is on when there's a zipper. You understand? So now the problem you need to adjust is move this X4 a little bit here and make sure this sensor, when the zipper, the sensor light should be on. Okay, you try and let me know, okay?